guys, welcome back to Miss Shane's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again you guys for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. Merry Cookmas Day 13. Moving right along, thank you guys so much for joining me for Cookmas, where I go ahead and give you guys daily videos for the holiday season throughout the month of December. For today's recipe, I know that looks like a ton of ingredients on the screen, but once you have the ingredients down packed, this is a fairly easy recipe to assemble and it's very tasty as well. Today we're going to go ahead and make some wonderful nutty oatmeal cranberry bars. So cranberries are going to be the star of the show for this recipe. I feel like they are a great addition for the holiday season. The nuts and all the sugars and vanilla with everything else that's going to accompany these bars, it's going to be one delicious bite that you guys won't be able to resist. So hopefully you guys are ready for today's recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Appreciate the comments, guys. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that always. And if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell so you can be notified every time I drop a new video, especially during Cookmas. So let's go ahead and get started. Guys, so here are my nutty oatmeal cranberry bars. They are sweet, they are tart just like a cranberry is. They're perfect for serving as a snack with your coffee or tea, or you could serve it as a main dessert and just serve it a la mode with some ice cream. That would be perfect as well. Definitely reminds you of a great crisp. So if you love a good blueberry crisp or a good cherry crisp, something to that nature, it's definitely on that track. So I feel like you will enjoy this recipe a lot with all of the flavors that we have within these nutty oatmeal cranberry bars. So hopefully you guys did enjoy today's recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Let me know if you love a little sweet and tart dessert sometimes. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that. And if you aren't subscribed, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and the bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video, especially during Cookmas. You guys take care and thanks for watching. Bye guys.